Hey everybody, and welcome to the Shopit Cloud help videos. Today we're going to take a look at getting started with a CSV import of all your products. You may hold this locally, have exported from another system, or have got from a manufacturer. Now the first thing to do is to get a template of what Shopit will accept. If you navigate to settings and import template, you will see a spreadsheet that looks very much like the one on screen. It will have global product numbers, parent numbers for parent-child relationships, the single status, weights, brands, descriptions, SKUs, and far more. This follows a particular format for Shopit, as this is how our database is structured. There'll be a fair bit of work to do to transform your data into our format, but this is the most important part of any e-commerce project. Getting your data right here means that you'll have it right for exporting to eBay, to Amazon, or to any others. You'll see on screen we are editing a number of the custom field options, initially marked as option 1, 2, 3, and 4, etc. And we're actually relabeling them according to the data that's going to go into that column. In this instance, color, size, material, pack size, and condition. These will often also match the Google Shopping, eBay, and Amazon attributes required as well. We've already seen the categories that each of the products are going to go into, and those will need to have been created prior to this CSV being created. Once saved and downloaded, you then need to import that CSV spreadsheet into the system. You will then begin to map the fields accordingly. On the left-hand side is what our database is expecting, and the column that is now being edited are the fields that are trying to be imported. You don't have to import all of them. For example, if you are only making a change to the color column or the weight column, then you only need to integrate the SKU, which is the anchor field, and then tell it to overwrite the weight or the color field. Now, at the top of the screen, you may have noticed that we are importing into a particular sales channel. Just so happens this example is for a website that only has one sales channel at the moment. And the great thing about this system is also that if we do a validation prior to import, so you're not going to automatically overwrite your data with incorrect fields and attributes. We'll take you through the process of both a failed import with errors and a successful one to show you the kind of experience you're going to have. Here we're deciding to import every single field to do that initial import. So first of all, we have a validation. You can see the channel is set as the hat shop that we're importing into, and it doesn't like global RRP. This is because the RRP template column had a pound sign pre-written into it, whereas we're automatically going to apply that according to the overall site settings. Everything else, on the other hand, is absolutely fine. We're now going to go back to the import. We fixed it, and we're going to import all the necessary fields accordingly. Because again, this is the initial import, we're actually going to go through and match all of the columns up. If you're only changing the data in one column and importing into a database that's already there, that's already got data in it, just overwriting one column, then you can choose to either use the Update Products feature on the Tools Import Export screen, or you can use this and just choose the columns required. Nearly there now, missed a couple. A reminder that on the left-hand side is the Shopit database structure, data that we are expecting to have populated, and this column here is the incoming template, column names. This time we validated it. It's perfectly successful. We're going to import the data. You can see that straight away the products are all there. This particular view only shows 2 or 3 of those columns active, but if we go into each of the records, we can do a quick once over of the data.